Let me give you a few of my favorite moments from today. Okay, so see this guy here? This guy here. He's in my way. But he looks like he was like attached to this original piece. So I didn't want to take him off if he needed to be there for the new guy. But he doesn't. He's clearly got to be removed. So I got to remove him. And I've got things in there. So I brought my handy dandy grilling things, which will have to be, I don't know. Yeah, basically. Hey, man. Did you want to put your hand in there? Did you? I can put them back and you can reach in.
I'm eating a piece of bread right now, so no thanks. I won't lie. I had at our house when we replaced ours.
Man.
Mine was the only one whose hand would fit, so I put my gloves on up to here, and
I'm sure we can sanitize them. I don't even care at this point.
I know, but I will always remember this moment.
Melissa.
Yeah, and pretty much I'm gonna be like,
No, we're not. I don't want any ribs. Thank you.
I'll throw them away.
she's saying that. Meanwhile, she replaces them
I don't want
with the
any
exact
ribs.
same guy.
Please don't tell Lee.
I think the sewer gas is getting to us. All right. All right.
Next is what?
Next is we gotta unbox the new toilet. Okay, is it straight? Allow me to test. Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty close to the ground. You should sit, it feels short.
Well, you don't have the seat on it.
Sit, it feels short.
Maybe Glenda should sit.
Glenda.
No, I feel this is a test, and I'm not good at tests.
Tomorrow, I shall go to the store. I shall buy a new faucet water turner honor thing. Technical terms only in this house. And bring it home. Turn the water off at the street. Replace that with the new valve. Hopefully then hook up the toilet. Yeah, that's the plan. Yep, that's the plan. Why is it that we can't just have an easy project? I get it, I know. Everybody has these problems, right? But I would have thought between the broken flange, fixing the flange, breaking the flange, replacing the flange, setting the toilet, the ring didn't work, ripping out the ring, using the one that came with the toilet, resetting the toilet, finding new washers, putting it back together, attaching the hose, which was too short, reattaching the next one, which is a little long, thus breaking the shark bite, causing a leak, running down the wall, rigged it with a cutting board and with a bowl. I'll be throwing away the cutting board, just so we know. And, yeah. Day 463 of the siege. So, this morning already, we've been busy little bees. First, work completely screwed up my morning and put me to work. Next, we went to Home Depot, purchased the items to fix these things. A new fitting is on the toilet, and it's not leaking. There is a mess to clean up. The toilet is holding water beautifully. The shower looks like I killed somebody in it, as does the rest of the room. We've moved on to plumbing for the new vanity. Now, surprisingly, this is a part I've not been looking forward to, but IKEA's got it going on. It came with everything I needed and more. Plumbing wise, I only need one fitting to change the adapter on our pipe that goes into the sewer pipe. Now, we did have to make one small adjustment to the plumbing, and that was because our sewer line, which is this guy, stuck out too far. It stuck out 5.5 inches from the wall, which generally is not a problem, but with the IKEA vanity that we have, it can't stick out more than 5.25 inches, otherwise it starts affecting the drawers on the inside. So my option was to either modify the drawers to have a cut in for that sewer pipe, or because I already had to replumb, just go ahead and add a bend so that I could spin this off to the side. Because there's a gap, again, of 5.25 inches behind the shelving in that vanity that's going to account for all of this. We also had to replace these doohickeys here, these snap bite faucet, because it needs 2 outlets because we're doing a double sinked faucet. Now, our faucet water lines are extremely on the left. I do feel like once we get the cabinet installed and the sinks in and the water lines run from the new faucets, we will probably have to get longer cord or longer hoses for the sink on the right. I'm not positive what that's going to be yet. So we're going to get up to that point and then go get the parts that we need. I'm gonna say this with the greatest amount of trepidation in the world. I feel like this is going better than expected. However, I also know that the day is not done and it could get a lot worse. So, that's kind of where we're at right now. Cross your fingers that it continues to go relatively well. Melissa went to get the last part that we need, and then we can start, I'm dry fitting it right now, and then we can start putting assembly and making sure everything works the way we want it to before we glue. Get along with little doggy.
I was thinking.